Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a what's for dinner video. This is literally what we ate this week for dinner. I've been seeing a bunch of these videos on YouTube, so I'm not taking credit for coming up with this idea, but I thought it'd be a really cool way to just show what I ate this week as well as how I made everything that you're going to see in this video. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this or what kind of videos you'd like to see next. It is officially May and I have an open calendar, and I would love to get your feedback on what types of videos you want to see next. So I hope that you enjoy this. Okay, so first up we are having salmon, and all I did for this is just rinse off my salmon. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I'm just going to sprinkle some garlic powder on it. And then come the secret ingredients, which are just a little bit of brown sugar, and then I'm going to top it with a small amount of honey and some lemon juice. I did add a small amount of butter to the top of the salmon. I'm going to let that sit here and marinate for a second while I get my veggies ready. And all I'm doing is just chopping the ends off of the asparagus, and then I'm going to cut up some Brussels sprouts. Next, I'm just adding some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and then what's great about this, besides that it's very easy cleanup and it's healthy and delicious, is that you can just throw everything in the oven at one time on 425 degrees. My husband and I like our salmon pretty well done, so we cook it for about 25 minutes. You can do it for less if you like your salmon a little less well done. Next up, we are having sausage Alfredo. This is insanely easy. Just take some sweet Italian sausage, and I'm taking just the casing off of it, and then I'm going to brown that. Now I'm just going to throw in my gluten-free pasta. Once everything is done, I'm just adding it all back to one pot, and I'm going to put in some Alfredo sauce, and this is just the Aldi brand. It's not my favorite. I prefer Prego over this brand, but yeah, any kind of Alfredo sauce that you enjoy, and then I'm going to mix everything together. Easy and simple, and even the boys love it. And yes, they are wearing winter hats at the dinner table. Next up, we just have some turkey and chickpea tacos. So all I'm going to do is just brown my turkey. And then I'm using this giant thing of taco seasoning I got at Costco. We have tacos at least once a week, so I just always buy the big thing of it. While that's cooking together, I'm going to cut up some peppers. And this is going to be for my tacos. I just wasn't in the mood for meat this night. I'm not a vegetarian or anything like that, but sometimes I'm not really feeling it. So I'm making like a veggie chickpea taco. So I'm just going to add some olive oil to my pan, and then I'm going to throw in my peppers. And then I'm going to add some canned black beans as well as some canned chickpeas or garbanzo beans, and just kind of saute all that together with the taco seasoning as well. We always warm our taco shells in the oven. I'm not sure, do you guys do that too, or is it just us? And then we like to add corn tortillas to the outside, and this is how we eat our tacos. I even added some avocado to my veggie tacos as well. And now Thursday is zucchini enchilada lasagna. So this recipe was from skinnytaste.com. My girlfriend made it, she loved it. However, I cannot say the same. I just have to be completely honest. I love carbs, so I also love vegetables, so don't get me wrong, but this just was not my jam. I was so excited to try this because it's super healthy and I really like enchiladas, but no. If you like low carb dishes though, this dish is for you. All you have to do is slice the zucchini. It was really hard because I couldn't find my mandolin, and that was half the battle. Now I just have some rotisserie chicken, and I'm mixing it up in a bowl with red enchilada sauce. Next, I'm just spraying my baking dish, and I'm going to kind of layer the zucchini and the chicken mixture. Now that that's done, I'm just going to top it with some Mexican cheese, and then I'm going to throw it in the oven on 425 degrees for about half an hour, just until everything is nice and melted and the zucchini is soft. So Friday, our final thing is breakfast for dinner. We absolutely love having breakfast for dinner at least once a week. The kids love it as well. I forgot to mention, if you're new here, we eat gluten-free, my husband and I. Gluten bothers his stomach, and for me, I have Hashimoto's thyroiditis, so I don't eat gluten because it causes inflammation. So anyway, I'm just making my gluten-free Bisquick. Super, super excited to eat this because I love pancakes. I don't really know anybody who doesn't love pancakes. So I'm making this, and then I'm going to throw in my turkey. This is my favorite brand of turkey bacon. So I like to cook it in the oven because it makes it nice and super crispy, and you cook this on 375 for about 10 minutes. So I was so excited to make that, and then the Bisquick spilled all out of the bottom of the thing, and we had eggs instead. Real life. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.